It's your boy Sully Man Vlogs. Y'all go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you won't miss a video.
DJ Kid, this a hit for sure.
Y'all, me and my boy Trey are back. I see the Chrysler sitting over there. Came back to get a little more footage real quick. We actually left the show. Had to go to over on Perkins to go support Grove Hero real quick. So now we just seeing what's out here, try to catch them leaving. Boy, loading up.
It's so many guns in this bitch, it's like a competition. Call it repetition. I'm good with the numbers on the scale. I'm a mathematician. I'm going to the bank or to the jail with my niggas. I know my position, never tell on a nigga. I just pray that F it never fail on a nigga. I can send a contract or a bail to a nigga. You go before the judge, they try to rail them a nigga. I'm never compete with my niggas, I never compete with my niggas. I never compete with my niggas, I'm always gonna eat with my niggas. I never compete with my niggas, I never compete with my niggas. I never compete with my niggas, I'm always gonna eat with my niggas. Everybody rich, ain't no competition. Everybody bitch, slower than we switch. Everybody lit.
Look who we got here, man. Go on, shout that page out, man.
Man, your dog, man.
Yes, sir.
Nick Below, man. Mr. Ain't himself, man.
Yes,
Ain't
sir.
Tennessee veteran, man. Yeah, man. Hey, man, y'all go and check out the channel, man. Below Nation, man. Check out the Instagram, Below Nation LLC.
Yes, sir.
She keep a Glock in her bag, she thinks she is.
Oh.
I think I'm a lover boy, say to your bitch like Elvis. My bitch in the front seat, my other bitch in back seat. Not who your other bitch, I'm talking about my job, bitch. No, I keep a bankroll, baby, count my bankroll. Put it in your purse, she say it's too much, baby, you won't go. Too much, baby, you won't phone.
I was making movies.